The Meta Quest 3 is the company's new generation of VR headsets, which it has unexpectedly unveiled. Additionally, it appears to have made a lot of advancements over its predecessor. We're discussing big modifications in design, spec explosives, as well as price. Get comfortable as we take you on an overview of everything new in Meta Quest 3 and help you decide whether you should upgrade or not. Among all the changes that took place on the new Meta Quest headset, the most highlighted one is the price. Quest 3 base variant starts at $500, which is $100 more than the Quest 2. But this is just the base price difference, and you need to know that Quest 2 went as low as $300. So, you need to figure out whether paying that additional $200 will be worth it or not. For that additional investment, you're getting Onyx Snapdragon VR chip, which according to Meta, boasts double the performance compared to the Quest 2's XR2 chip. Apart from that, Quest 3 also brings along a high-risk display as well as enhanced camera sensors. Combined, you can expect a more in-depth AR experience with a complete color pass-through. But there's a caveat that you need to know before jumping the gun on the Quest 3. Meta has indicated that a recent software update will bring up CPU and GPU performance by 26% and 19% respectively on the Quest 2 and Quest Pro. So you must take this under consideration before going for the upgrade. Apart from these changes, the design of the Meta Quest 3 has also been revamped. For starters, the headset is comparatively slimmer than the Quest 2, which will make long gaming sessions comfortable. Trust us when we say this. Gaming for a longer period with the Quest 2 has been pretty daunting. Quest 3 also welcomes more fabric as opposed to best use plastic Latin build. Simply put, they have made it more comfortable to wear despite having this amount of spec bumps. So should you go for Meta Quest 3 over Quest 2? In our opinion, the $200 extra is worth investing in. We mean the extra horsepower as well as the comfortable design will definitely be worth it in the long run. But if you decide to stick with the Quest 2, you won't be missing out on much either. The software update is almost here and the performance bump will meet our VR craving just right. So that was all about the Meta Quest 3 versus Meta Quest 2 debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.